Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to make a sticky header on Elementor for free. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply log in into your WordPress admin and then simply add the header by clicking its handle, and then simply the edit content panel shows on the left. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on advanced, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply expand motion effects, which is this one here, and then simply set sticky, and then simply choose one of the following options. So as you can see, you have top and bottom, and as you can see, you have none. So this removes the sticky header. And then under sticky on, choose a device on which your section should be sticky. So what you're gonna have to do is simply choose one of the following options. So you have a desktop, tablet portrait, and then mobile portrait. And what you're gonna have to do is simply set the following offset effects offset, and then stay in column. So toggle to yes if you want the section to remain in its own column. Then here, this is the number of pixels the user must scroll before the sticky effect begins. And then simply here, this one here, which is offset, it pushes the sticky element up or down by pixel. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply click publish, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.